Hi friends, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I'm super duper excited because today marks the day that I start a whole series of videos all based off of glimmers. So if you don't know what a glimmer is, it's a teeny tiny nanosecond of joy that shoots through your body from any one of your senses. So you could smell something or hear something or taste something, and it just brings joy throughout all of your senses, all throughout your body. And there's major benefits from noticing these glimmers, and you can look those up on your own. But this series, I'm doing some art activities, some art projects, all based off of our senses and glimmers. So I hope you enjoy them. So in my first video based on glimmers, I'm focusing on creating your own little glimmer journal. Similar to the Create It Goals journal that I did a couple videos ago, we're gonna create a little sketchbook or journal, whatever you wanna call it, in order to capture our glimmers. And decorate your paper, and this is a cardstock. It's a little bit heavier than an actual just regular printer paper, but you can decorate your paper however you want in order to create a cover for your journal. So I've got a bunch of different colors of washi tape, and this is kind of like a paper tape, like painter's tape, so it's easy to rip and just put all over the place. And it comes in foil, it comes in fluorescence, it comes in so many cute different little patterns. So that some of the tape might be coming up in some areas, and different tapes are different qualities, so they might be a little less sticky or a little more sticky than others. So what I'm going to do is just use some packing tape, just clear tape, and go over the entire cover in order to keep all of my tape down. Okay, all set. And in a way, this kind of protects it from the elements, so it's a little sturdier this way as well. Let's go ahead and glue our pages inside. So now that we have our little journal made, let's go ahead and add some glimmers to it. So I almost filled up 2 full pages of different things that are glimmers to me. And I'm sure if I went outside, I would find another 2 pages worth immediately. So I hope you enjoy writing down and reflecting on what little sparks of joy you get from different things through your sight, sound, taste, smell, touch, and signs from the universe.